Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to start a Microsoft Word project in MLA format. To begin with, I'm using Microsoft Word on my Mac. You want your margins to be 1 inch on all sides. So you go to Layout, Margins, and select 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Then go back to Home. You always want to be in Times New Roman 12-point font. It's always a safe one to go with. In the upper left-hand corner, you want to start with your first, if I can spell, first and last name. Then you want to do your teacher's name. The class you are writing the paper for, and the date that the paper is due. Next, you'll hit Enter and center it and type in the title of your paper. In MLA, you want everything in double spaced, so to do that you'll highlight it and press line spacing. You can do it before or after you type your paper. I'm going to set it before so I don't have to worry about it. And that puts an extra space in between. Some teachers like it, some don't on different papers, but MLA requires it, and sometimes it's useful for when you're typing to have spaces in between for comments and writing. Then the paragraph, when you actually start typing, is going to be indented, so you're going to click the tab space, one tab in. And then you can start your paper. And then you'll continue writing. You also need to include a page number. So to do that, in your upper screen, you're going to click a thing that's called Insert. And then the second one down is page numbers. And this little thing will pop up. You want to put it on the top of the page in the right-hand corner and press OK. And then it'll put it. You also want a header. To do that, you go into View up at the top, Header Footer, and then you want it to be on your right side, and you'll type in your last name and close. Once you've finished writing your paper, you will, even if you're all the way up here, you'll go down to the very next page, a new fresh page, go to the center of the page by clicking this, and type in Works Cited. Then click Enter and go to the left side. For this tutorial, we'll look at a book. If you want to source a book, you're going to do the author's last and first name, separated by a comma. Then in italics, which is this button right here, you want to do title of the book, and any big words are capitalized, so that means any word except for little words like of and the. Then next, take it out of italics. You want to write in the city of publication. So an example would be New York City, Denver, Boston, and so on and so forth. Next, you want a thing called a semicolon, which is a dot and then a comma under it. And you want to put in the publisher, which is the company that published the book, and what year it was published. So that would be something like 1989, 2011. And then last you want to put what medium it was in, and all books are going to be in print because they are physical copy instead of online or another form. Then your second line right here that says print right now, whatever your second line is, you want to be called a hanging indent. So an easy way to just do this is to press enter from the first line to the second and then tab, and it will go in. And then your next source or works cited will begin the same way. And carry on. And that's how you start your MLA formatted paper. Thank you.